Thank you to dreame for sponsoring this video. All right, so if you clicked on this video, you're probably looking to switch from this to this. But before I tell you everything about it, let me thank you for being awesome, good human beings, supporting the channel all these years. You guys have given me so much. I love the opportunity to give back just a little bit. Thank you guys for your support. If you give a chance to win, not 100, not 200, not this many hundred, not 400, but 500 bucks. All you gotta do, leave a comment down below. Tell me the first thing you clean up with your new dreame vacuum. Tell me a dad joke, a fact about yourself. Just make sure either you leave your social handle in the comment or a way to contact you on your YouTube page. I let you know if you win. Open to anyone in the world. Let it run for 10 days. All the information you need, though, will be in the description. There are probably like 20 different ways I can start this video, but honestly, I think the best thing I can say is nothing at all and just show you this. Here's the before and after of an area cleaned by the X40 Ultra, and the difference between the two is like obviously noticeable. I want you to pay special attention to the corners of objects as well, because this is where the X40 Ultra shines, as it changes the way you clean in 3 really big ways. So making cleaning stronger, smarter, and I think probably most importantly, way easier. All right, let's kick things off with strength. Not typically something you think about when you picture like a robot vacuum doing its thing, but the results here are clear as day. So the X40 Ultra is packing 12,000 Pascal units of suction power with a turbocharged Vormax suction system. And all that sucking to say it's going to clean like a dream, easily able to capture all the dirt, debris, crumbs, hair, whatever gross things you have on your floor or carpet. And it's using its built-in Omni Dirt detection technology. It's gonna be able to identify floor debris and make sure it's all cleaned up as efficiently and effectively as possible, even spending some extra time to remove kind of those gross stains if needed. While all this, I think, sounds great, typically robot vacuums have always had an Achilles heel, something wrong with them. They always seem to miss the corners of walls, curved furniture, and just general kind of nooks and crannies that seem to be glossed over all too easily. But dreame has solved this problem with a really cool and kind of novel solution. All right, so the X40 Ultra is packed with an extendable and liftable side brush. It's actually able to extend out and reach those crumbs or pieces of dirt to make sure they get vacuumed up and those areas don't get missed. See this happen is incredibly cool. You don't realize how much just nasty things get left behind until you see the X40 Ultra do its thing. This also extends the mopping functionality too. There's a built-in robo swing technology. It's going to extend the mop out to get more reach and better clean all your surfaces of your house. And with 32 level dynamic mop moisture control, it's going to very intelligently mop your floor with power and precision. And again, the results speak for themselves, and the special attention given to those tougher to reach areas, I think sets the X40 Ultra apart. The versatility here is unmatched in the industry. All right, so next let's talk about smarts. As you'd expect in 2024, the X40 Ultra's got a companion app that gives you full control over the entire cleaning process. You can adjust settings, check out the multi-level smart maps, and even pair the system up with your voice assistant of choice so you can start cleaning without like literally having to move your finger. Beyond that, the X40 Ultra also has some pretty special technology specifically designed to enhance cleaning. So it's got 360-degree recognition, obstacle avoidance, so it can confidently navigate around your home, and 4-level fast mapping and accurate path planning, so it can fully map its environment and choose the best path to take you to get things clean. You can even set up pet zones in the app and get auto suggestions and more intelligent sort of thorough cleanings for those areas. So you can even use the robot, it's kind of a virtual pet sitter, the ability to drop in remotely thanks to real-time voice and video monitoring. And finally, as much as I love the superb cleaning and power and all the built-in smarts, probably my favorite feature of the X40 Ultra is that it's an all-in-one system built to make my life just easier. Not only does it do the vacuuming and mopping for me, but it pairs to a really advanced docking station that does all the post-cleaning work for me as well. So when the robot vacuum returns home, the docking system does its thing. It auto-empties the debris collected, even washing the mop with hot water and then drying it to ensure it's fresh and ready to go when it's time to clean again. The auto-empty dust bag is big enough to handle automated emptying for up to 75 days, which means the system is basically self-sufficient. So all you gotta do is tell when to clean, and X40 Ultra just takes care of the rest. So plus the Tri-Cut Brush 2.0 has anti-pitch and anti-stuck design to ensure hairs that can get tangled up in there. Don't have to worry about stepping in to intervene if it gets into I guess like literally a hairy situation. So you've been dreaming of kind of kicking back on your couch and putting your vacuuming and mopping days behind you. The Dreame X40 Ultra is here to make that a reality. It is crazy versatile, loaded with features, is a powerful cleaning system that does all the hard work for you. Dreame knocked this out of the park, and in a world where there's a ton of robot vacuum options, Dreame found a really novel way and a useful way to stand apart from the competition. And if you're in the market for something like this, and it's something that absolutely everybody can use, all the information you need to check out the X40 Ultra and the rest of Dreame products will be down below.